Already level 40, stuck with skills you don't use, and no respec button in sight? Here's how to actually reset your skill points in Skyrim in under 60 seconds. First, there's no classic respec menu. Instead, Skyrim lets you reset skills by making them legendary. That's your built-in reset system. Open your skills menu, hover over a skill that's at 100, and look for the Make Legendary prompt at the bottom of the screen. Hit the button that shows On PC, that's usually the key listed next to Make Legendary. Confirm the pop-up window when it asks you. That skill drops back to level 15, all perk points in that tree are instantly refunded, and you can spend them anywhere you want. Bonus, that reset skill can be leveled again, pushing your overall level even higher for more perk points over time. Got the Dragonborn DLC? You also get a way to reassign points inside each skill tree using black books. Play through the Dragonborn questline on Solstheim until you find black books like Waking Dreams that let you respec perks. Use the black book to enter Apocrypha, run through the level, and reach the final chapter where the respec options appear. There, you'll see options to reset individual skill trees in exchange for a dragon soul. Pick a skill, pay a soul, get all perks from that tree back. Use legendary resets for big overhauls, and black books for targeted tweaks, perfect if you regret just one tree. Now you know how to respec like a pro. Drop a comment with your new build, and go break Skyrim all over again.